You pussy. I don't have. That's all.
ก็เคเขาคุยกับผมแต่ทีนี้แอนเราอยู่แล้วเรามัน
Oh wow.
poison plant you can touch it
It's poison?
yes this plant can burn you
Yeah.
just kidding
Oh.
in Mexico has it also in Mexico
Really?
because
Do you see it?
you can touch
Yeah.
it careful
Oh, look at it.
Yeah.
บอกไอ้เคียวแล้วบอกว่าอย่ามาคุยกับผมมากเดี๋ยวนิดเดียวหน่อยไหมเจ็บเท้าเจ็บต่อเดี๋ยวพี่เดินเองดีกว่าพอรู้ว่าไปกับพี่เกศไม่เอานิกมาแล้วกันกาเพทั้งคู่เราสองคนก็ไม่เป็นไรผมมาแล้วแต่ว่าไงเปล่านะเป๋ทั้งคู่
So which one? There's a full-grown watermelon tree.
no just around
Yeah.
it's a full grow just let it because
Wait, watermelon grow under, no?
yes
Yeah.
just wait but if the day is having rain
Uh-huh.
the baby plant gone
Yeah.
do you know what kind of this tree แค่มันนี่ต้นยางมันใช่
No idea.
ได้ rubber
Yeah.
rubber tree this is main agriculture in Thailand people can take a lot of money from this tree
Yeah.
do you know what kind of product
The product inside?
yes condom
Oh.
They make condoms out of it?
yes this is condom tree
Oh, wow.
condom tree tire on the wheel tire on the wheel and condom pillow gum
Wow.
Wow.
from this tree
That's crazy. They make it out of a tree.
when we plant this rubber tree we wait until 6 or 7 years and we can bark the tree and call it the latex
Yeah.
and then we sell it
นี้
we can bark this tree until 20 and we cut the tree and make the wood to the furniture building the house something like that
How much you get for a tree like this?
huh
How much you get for a tree like this?
this is cannot cut it's too small
No, when it gets bigger.
in the bigger we sell like how to call like we sell like 1 acre
1 acre?
yes like
Oh, just straight
1
tree.
acre 200,000 baht something like that
Okay.
พี่เป้า in the past 10 years ago 1 liter of latex about 120 120 baht per liter
Yeah.
it's really expensive but right now
Yeah.
just 30 liter per yeah 30 baht per liter
It just it goes up and down, right?
She was born here?
Huh?
She was born here?
Yes ที่เขาเกิดที่ภูเก็ตใช่ไหมนี่ This is the owner of this elephant
Oh.
Yeah.
Rawai you know Rawai beach Rawai
Mm-hmm.
like nearby แหลมพรหมเทพ do you know พรหมเทพ cave
Yeah.
พรหมเทพ yes he was one Rawai is nearby
Oh my God.
that she told you every 45 minutes or up to 1 hour pooping
Yeah. He's on pee.
Yeah.
Like a hose.
ตรงนี้มาแบกขึ้นมาทำไมนี่มึงไม่กินนะเปล่า
โอ้มันดีมันหลากหลายอ่ะ
ไม่กินใช่ไหมนี่เก็บได้
เนี่ยมันอยู่ในป่ามันต้องหากินของนี่คุ้มก่อนแบบนี้
เอาไงนี่
ให้ที่บ้านนี่
จะแบกก็ทำไมนี่
เอาไปไว้ฝั่งนี้ก็ได้เดี๋ยวจะมาเกี่ยวเข้าไปเห็นไหมซื้อไปหนักกันมาเอาไว้อยู่ตรง
He slapped me upside my head.
อยู่กับหลักเย็น
อะไรเนี่ยนี่แต่เนี่ยนี่แต่เนี่ยกินมาละเอาอะไรเนี่ยเปล่าเอาจะบอกว่ามึงไม่ล้างเลยกินเนี่ยเฮ้ยเปล่าอ่ะเสิร์ฟ
บอมบอม
ให้นกให้หนูมันกินก็ได้ดูก่อน
มากินนะ
Oh, you don't want mine.
Kiwi
You just have shoving him in
he
the
has
mouth.
one in the mouth. Kiwi.
Oh, what?
You just have shoving him in the mouth.
No. They love
The
shoving it in their
elephant
mouth.
can take about 2.5 centimeters, but mosquito or fire can bite elephant. But the elephant doesn't feel it.
Mm.
Really thick, like this.
Yeah.
Wow.
It annoys them though, no?
Huh?
It annoys them? Or doesn't feel
They don't feel it.
at all?
They don't feel. But the hornet of bee,
Oh, the hornet.
they run away. We heard from the elephant.
Yeah, hornets get everybody, huh?
Like a human also.
Yeah.
อยากดึงดันนางก็บอกว่าไก่อยากวัดตัวไหนเขาก็วัดได้เอากูบอกเฉย
I think it's really
ๆเพราะว่าไอ้นัดมันลืมอ่ะบางคนวัดเองมันก็ลืมทุกคน
ผมว่าดับทุกคน
Chill, walk away.
เราก็บอกไปเนาะ
I want to know. You have another one?
Huh?
You have another one?
Yes,
Thank you.
เย่ enjoy
Thank you.
this is mentor. We have
Yes, thank you.
We take a break here when it because
Thank you.
he eats some. He has some.
No.
Let the elephant saying.
Thank you.
Welcome.
There's no wild elephants here?
No.
No. They have to go far, right?
Because wild elephant, right? We don't have much in Thailand right now.
Mm.
In 2017, we have more than 6,000 wild elephants. But until 2018, not more than 2,000.
That's poachers, huh?
The people kill, collect the tusk, collect the iris, sell the black market.
Yeah.
It's like African people.
Yeah.
African people kill the rhino, collect the horn.
Yeah.
So, do you know one pair of the ivory? About 2 or 3
มาเลย
million.
เปล่า
baht.
มา
3 million baht. Wow.
But how to take it? You should kill the elephant
Yeah.
first.
มา
Use
เร็ว
how to
เร็ว
like
มานี่มา
like a cutter, like a how to call? I don't know.
Yeah, I saw.
Yes, saw. Yes, to cut.
ใครอยู่เนี่ยเร็ว
Wow.
But right now, all wild
เอาเข้าไป
elephant
เร็ว
they live with the non-hunting area.
Yeah, they're
Like,
protected, right?
yes, nation park, and we have soldier like a government protect them.
Okay.
And captive like this elephant like this, the elephant was born with the people, grow up with the people. We don't have much also in Thailand.
What about when his tusks get big? You cut him?
No, we don't cut. Just, but actually, this touch is really sharp. It's really thick.
Oh, so you
really
trim it?
sharp. But we yes,
Trim it. Okay.
because for safety first.
Yeah.
Because male elephant is quite aggressive than female. And overall in Thailand, female elephant 70%, and just 30% like a female.
Male.
And
Okay.
if you guys have female elephant, I have male. If you want to force breeding, you should give money to male elephant. 70,000 baht per one time.
Yeah.
If your elephant, if your baby can't have the baby, you should give money more to me. 30,000 baht. That means one baby, 100,000 baht for one baby.
Wow. Is usually they just have one baby at a time?
No, in the whole one time, right?
At a time, yeah.
They can have twins, but just
They have
few,
twins?
just
Very few twins.
I read the news in Chiang Mai. The mom work in the lock-in camp. You know lock-in?
Uh-huh.
Yes. And the owner give some medicine like energy medicine. Keep working. Food not enough. She's not strong. The both of baby die just week.
Oh.
Just a week. Both of baby die.
มันมีอยู่สุรินท
So
ร์
two babies, twins is 130 baht. 130,000. 130,000 baht.
Yes, it's really expensive.
Yeah.
And
มี
the young
ช้างแฝดอยู่สุรินทร์อยู่คู่หนึง
So that's his elephant. You have an elephant? No.
no, I'm just tour guide. Because it's really expensive.
Yeah.
Overall in Thailand, captive elephant like this. In last year, government check it about 4,600 left.
Yeah.
Like this captive elephant. But in our company, we have 100, more than 100. It's
Oh.
really good. We spend money more than 100 million baht, more than that. And this land, we have 50 acre. We rental, we not buy.
Oh, there's a rent?
Because 1 acre, about 13 million baht per 1 acre.
Wow.
We rent per year.
13 million, that's like
in the
$30,000.
Wow.
And we
Oh my
spend much
Or
the like
15,000
cost also. 1 elephant, we spend food per 1 month about 50,000 baht per 1 month per 1 elephant. We have more than 100. 1 month we spend about 5 million baht per food.
Wow.
Just in food. Really expensive. but we start this project. We cannot keep up. We try to save as more as we can.
Yeah.
That's what we will do. Because our boss respect, we really respect elephant.
And when you sharpen the tusks, it doesn't hurt them.
It's not hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
Like,
They no
it's
nerves.
like a bone. It's
Okay.
Like they don't
It's
feel
a bone,
anything.
alright. You guys breed them here? They breed sometimes.
Yes,
Yeah.
they breed. Do you see Natalie?
Natalie.
And the Mali one.
Natalie.
And you see the fattest one. That is Natalie mom.
Oh.
Okay.
And Natalie, she has the baby one. The baby, Mr. Chok right now almost 2 years.
2 years.
Mr. Chok live in the Pattaya. We separate
Uh-huh.
because the mom really protective.
Yeah.
And we stop nursing also. Until 4 years, we take Mr. Chok back to stay with Natalie.
Mm.
It's like a dog, it's like a cat also, really protective.
Yeah.
Because right here we don't have fence, we don't have wall. But if we then we have ครั้งหนึ่งมันช่วยมี3
Oh, on the website it says no drones. It scares them.
Yes,
Yeah.
like a macro, like a actually in the Phuket we have 5 camps, but camp 2 we close because camp 2 we open the shooting rank.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes we cannot control of it,
Mm.
run away. Like a they scare like a firecracker, like
Anything
the
loud?
sound of the gun. There's something loud.
So pop. Yeah.
Yes, yes, like it. Because right here we don't see an elephant also. Pao. This nickname Pao.
Bow.
Pao.
เตา
Bow.
เดี๋ยวไปดิไป10 โมงแล้วพี่เปาไปเลยลูก Sometimes we shoot control elephant, but we not force elephant. In the evening, in the night time, when you leave around here, the elephant sleep around here, and we have 2 caretakers like this
Yeah.
sleep with the elephant. Because sometimes
Oh,
elephant walk through the road, something like that, and the truck can crash the elephant.
Mm.
That's why we should have the
That'll hurt the elephant, right?
elephant.
The
can-
trunk is destroyed. Huh?
Yes.
Any of them ever fall while climbing?
Huh?
Did any of the elephants fall while
The
climbing?
Lamjai. Today did we check the Lamjai?
Yeah.
You can see her legs broken. She from the Lakin camp, and that day heavy rain, and she slippery. She fell down. Her legs broken.
อ๋อ
How long does it take for the hill?
Almost 1 year.
1 year.
ว้าว
Yes.
She can't walk.
And then
Oh,
she
she
can walk
walk.
really. She can walk really fast also right now.
Yeah.
Be careful the tail. Okay.
Yo, yeah, that shit'll knock you out.
Always eating.
Always eating.
Always eating.
Said 300 kilos of food a day.
It's not exactly about 10% of body weight. This
How much does he weigh?
2.6 tons.
2.6 tons. Wow.
ถอยถอยถอย
ช้างเดินก่อนหรือแขกเดินก่อนเอาแขกช้างเดินก่อนก็ได้จะออกหน้าแล้วพี่ป๊บYour friends. Oh, send to your boss.
My boss yeah that's good
One time, the elephant pooping about 5 up to 8 balls. One ball about 1 kilogram.
Wow.
If you don't believe me, you can pick it up and check.
Yeah, give it to me.
น่าน่าน่า Wow, actually very fun.
พี่เปาไปฉีดสายยางหน่อยไหมอาบน้ำมันพี่เปาไหมบนนู้นนะฮะข้างบนนู้นนะข้างบนนู้นเหรอตรงนี้ไม่ได้เหรอตรงนี้ได้ไหมออกจากไม่โกแกโก
อือฮึ
แต่ว่ามันเร็วไปอ่ะพี่
All right, bow. It's our turn to eat.
Per day. And they can hold water inside the trunk about 10 liters.
Wow.